Hello, everybody. I'm a star right now. If you don't know who's this is Star right here on the Mistfall, a halflinger. She told her I was getting a halflinger too, and she was so happy that we would be twinsies. Yeah. By the way, I do Musically and Funimation. I also do El Piacinino, Warrior Casanino, and Funny the Freddy Zanino. That was questions why I don't. Yes. Well, I have chat glitch, so when I try to do XD, it does this. Yeah, it doesn't show up, so I have to use XD. So, who is that? That's my question. Let's inspect. Who is Chipmunk? Oh my god, I'm the stupidest person ever. I have it too. It's actually a red squirrel, by the way, if you read it. Like, I have one too. Look. Oh my god. XD. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to say, I do Musically, Funimation, Animal Jam play well because I used to play the actual Animal Jam, but I don't play it anymore because I started getting in drama and I hate drama, so, yeah. Musically, Funimation, Animal Jam play wild, El Piacinino, Warrior Casanino, and Fights for Casanino. I also do Disney LL, but I don't look at there much. Okay, so apparently we're doing a training video. Alright. I was just say alrighty, but I'm too lazy to hide that. Oh my god. I'm like, oh my god. I'm missing this joke. So I have a question. Why is that person? There's like a person that has a Connemara, like the burnt toast Connemara. And I always see them on at night. And I do see them in the daytime barely. But I'm starting to think that they only come on for sale at night. I'm not that sure. Why am I talking like this? Okay, also, a random girl came up to me like a couple of days ago. And I'm gonna fail. Oh, I'm impressed by that. Okay, anywho, as I was saying, before I sadly got interrupted. Oh my god, I can't do that raise. I can't do that. Oh, hat, yeah. Okay, anywho, as I was saying, and she was like, can you rear? And I was just like prepared to say, for her to say like, are you Emma Great Right? From like, what this weird random, nobody cares because nobody watches me, and the only people that are subscribed are pretty much people in my club, and I think Fox, no, she's not scared of me. That's it. Okay, anyway. What was that? I was like, I also can't do that race, so. I'll just wait for her. Okay, anywho, as I'm trying to save something getting interrupted by my own self, why is this flip? Okay, in my hair, there's a baby hair Okay, my baby hairs, when I get in my face, they automatically curl, and it just aggravates me so badly, because I'm busting in school, baby hairs curling on my side, and I try to move them over, it doesn't work, I end up covering my hair and my face, and I just look like, oh my god, what has this person turned into? Yeah. It's 11:44. I also wanted to say I'm not going to be able to make a club video, because I'm going to be at my nana's in Athens. So yeah, I'm leaving early in the morning, which is probably why I'm tired right now. I packed all the stuff. I don't know. I think I'm ready. Oh, did you do it? Okay, I'm trying to figure out what she's talking about. She says the race, and I'm like, nope, jumping. Oh, that's how they spell that. The race. Yes. I can't do this. Yeah, I think you have to pay for this, Marley. Yeah. Okay, Steve's. Okay, maybe I should start walking. Or maybe running, maybe just run into that picnic table. And then start running again. And then miss that jump because I'm just the best at missing jumps. Oh my god, that one's like impressive. I always go through here because I'm too lazy. And I also want to jump. What was that? I'm like super tired, so my voice is really low. I have a low voice when I'm tired. But when I'm actually tired, my mom would. Okay, I think I'm gonna end. I think I'm gonna need. I don't know how to speak when I'm tired. I think I'm gonna end the video. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. That's the person I'm talking about. But now they actually have their. But anywho, as I was saying, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want to see more, and if you want to follow me on music, or follow me, or in whichever about, or a Casanino, or Pies and Freddy Zanino, or Warrior Casanino, just let me know in the comments below. I would be happy. To tell you then. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. I uploaded Touch Table for a little bit, and might also upload this video for a little bit. But I'm gonna go to. I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm like, that's did and done. So yeah. Good night. I'm so tired.